Good afternoon.
Hello, welcome to the Mexican Katrina.
Can you tell me what's on the menu, please?
We offer a varied menu of strong dishes and drinks. As main course, we have guillet, enchiladas, nachos, and tacos.
I wanna order of tacos. What they have?
We have meat, chicken, or pork tacos.
Of meat, please. And to drink?
And drinks, we have strong drinks, smoothies, and margaritas.
I want a margarita. What flavor do you have?
We have frozen lemons, strawberries, and passion fruits.
Of lemon and a glass of water, please.
Okay, I'll be right, but with your glass of water and your order.
Thank you.
Ground beef tacos has this ingredient: half a kilo of beef that we are going to stew with half onion finely chopped, 2 tomatoes, 2 teeth of garlic finely chopped, 1 green pepper, and tortillas.
And to give the meat a more flavored touch, we will use salt, oregano, and spicy meat with a little Chinese sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and spicy sauce. We start frying the onion in hot oil. After 4 minutes overload, add the oregano, garlic, green peppers, and tomato. After 2 minutes, we add the meat until the water evaporates. Turn off and heat the tortillas and then fill them with the meat and grated cheese, and then we are ready to serve the customer.
The word taco comes from the word Nahal tlaco, which means half, or in the middle, referring to the way it is made. The true origin of the taco is not known, but is believed that it was created in pre-Hispanic Mexico, where tortillas were prepared on hot stones and decorated with cochineal, some of them accompanied by beans and chilies. The stew that was then put in the taco was based on the meat that consumed during that time, which was the guajolote, which is that name for turkey, and hairless dogs that were fattened for consumption.
The frozen margarita that I will prepare today, the following ingredients: 2 ounces tequila, 1 ounce triple sec, 1 ounce freshly squeezed lemon juice, and salt. Tequila is a distilled beverage made from the blue agave plant, originally from the state of Jalisco. Mexican laws state that tequila can only be produced in the state of Jalisco and limited municipalities in the state of Guanajuato, Michoacán, Nayarit, and Tamaulipas. It's commonly served as a shot with salt and light aroma. Must have between 35 and 55 6% alcohol content. Combine all the ingredients in the blender and stir. So we have our frozen margarita ready. A margarita is a cocktail consisting of tequila, orange liqueur, and lemon juice, often served with salt on the rim on the glass. The drink is served shaken with ice or blended with ice. The drink is traditional served in the eponymous margarita glass. As with so many popular drinks, more than one person is claimed to have invented the margarita. One of the most prevalent stories is that Carlos Dani Herrera developed the drink at his Tijuana area restaurants around 1938. As the legend goes, Herrera drew the cocktail for one of the customers, an aspiring actress named Marjorie Kim, who was allergic to all hard alcohol other than tequila. To make the liqueur more palatable to his basic line, he combined the elements of a traditional tequila, shot a lint of salt, with of lemon, and turned them into a refreshing drink.
Has your order and your glass of water?
Thank you. Can you bring me the bill, please?
Okay, your total account is $23.63. You pay to cash or card credits?
Cash.
Oh, okay.
Thank you, very kind. Have a nice evening.
Thank you. Call me back soon.